Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tando, aka Medicalbeautyblog. Wow, it's been a while since I've sat in front of this camera. So mind you, I'm not naked. I'm wearing a boob tube dress, so please don't think I'm naked. I just wanted my face, like my eyes, to be the focal point for this video because I want to do a smoky eye. Anyways, I've missed you guys. I've missed you all so much. Wow, I never thought I would miss you guys so much, but I do, and I did. Start off like I normally do. I will use my eyeshadow base and I'll just pop this in the center of my eyes, and if you see me looking to the side, I'm looking at my mirror here. So you guys, I've missed y'all. Where have I been? I've been writing exams, and so like I've been on like a proper vacation trying to revive myself before I start filming again, because I feel like it's gonna be useless for me to film when I don't have that energy, like the energy that I need to film. So we're going to do a smoky eye. To start off, the first shade I'm going to use is Get Out from. I'm just gonna take this blending brush and I'm just gonna put this in my crease as my transition color. So yeah, you guys, I was busy writing my 4th year exams. And then now, after building up this shade like this, the way that I've built it, I'm going to go in with a darker one to create that smoky eye effect. I'm going to use a black eyeshadow from this fake JACLYN hair palette. So you guys, my exams went well. I wrote well. Yeah, by God's grace, everything went exceptionally well. So you're officially looking at a 5th year medical student. No, it's so crazy. And to think that it, like, I just started, like, it feels like I just got to Russia like yesterday, and already I am like going into 5th year. It's just surreal. Doesn't feel like it is actually happening. It just feels unreal, guys. Wow. So now I'm going home. I think maybe this video will be up when I'm home already. I'm not sure, but it will probably be up by the time I get to Mozambique. And yeah, that's because I leave during the week, and yeah, by the time this will be up, I should be home in the weekend, and I will vlog my trip home. And I can't wait to get home, guys. I can't wait to see my family. I can't wait. I miss them so much. So the trick with using black eyeshadow is that you have to blend, like make sure that all the colors blend into each other. So if you feel like you're using that transition shade, then just start putting it back again. I wrote my exam. I had my first exam on the 3rd of June. It was a computer exam. So here's how the system works here. You have computer exams and then you have oral exams, and I had 3 exams in total. So I had one computer and then 2 oral exams. So yeah, that's the tea on that. So the computer exam, we had, it's multiple choice, right? So we had 800 questions and only 100 came out for the exam. Okay, now I've cut my crease. I'm going into my Brights palette. Then I'm going to add this red into my crease. So I'm done picking on that color. I want to blend out the edge there of the smoky part. Going to blend it out with my crease color, and then I'll go back again with Zebra. So now I'm going to use this Essence Metal Art, and then I'm just gonna line this up like on my cut crease. Then to fill in that liner, I'm going to use another singlet. It's called Pep Talk. I'm using this things because I don't have like this kind of liquid liner, so we're using what we have to get the effect we want. So far so good. Okay, now I'm done with the eyes. I just need to put a black liner. I'm going to use my KIKI eyeliner, this one. Primer, baby skin. So you guys, like I was saying before, we had for the computer exam we had 800 questions to study, to prep for the computer exam, and then only 100 from the 800 will come out multiple choice exam, and chances are the questions are not going to be the same for everybody. Like, other people will get other questions, and then it's because it's randomly generated by the computer itself, which is good and not good at the same time, because like, what if you didn't complete the whole 800 questions and then you only left the last 100, and that's what the ones you get for the exams. That's the majority of your exam questions. They're not pressure. It's a struggle. It's a struggle, because in South Africa, if it's a multiple choice question, everybody gets the same question paper, and yeah, so there's no such a thing as you can say not fair. Anyway, today I'm using my fave ESTÉE Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm in the shade Sandalwood. And then in terms of the oral exam, and mind you, it's not always 800 questions. Sometimes you get 1,000, sometimes you get less, sometimes you get more. And then in terms of the oral exam, what they do is they give you again another list of questions that you need to know. It can be 200, it can be 500, depending on the course you are writing your exams on. For instance, we were also writing neurology, and we had, I think, 173 questions, and it's all long answers. It's all long questions. There's no multiple choice. You answer them orally and they grade you. That's been my life the past few weeks. I've been going through that stress. And neurology, we did it for a year. We had it from last semester, and then now we have it. We had it this semester again, and then we had an exam. So it's a combination of last semester's work and this semester's work. It's not like in South Africa where you were going to write, for instance, let's say the code for neurology was 401, which in SA it means that it's a semester. It's a course for 4th year, 1st semester, right? And then you would write an exam for 401, and then after that you would write 402 the upcoming semester. So the work is halved in SA, but here they combine the both semesters together and they give you one final exam at the end of that year's semester, which sucks because the workload. Hello, we're talking about neuro here, talking about neurology. You have to remember the basic pathways again. Then now this semester we're doing disorders, so now you have to incorporate the pathways and the disorders together, which ain't no child's play. So that's the major difference between studying in Russia and studying at home. That's the stress, that their ways of examining you are totally different. They are completely different from the way it is done in our countries. Highlight my face, I'm going to use my OG LA Girl Pro Concealer. To use my ESTÉE LAUDER tester. It's in the shade Pecan or Pecan. I'm not sure how they pronounce it, but I always pronounce it as Pecan. Okay, so if you say Pecan, hey, that's you saying Pecan. I say Pecan. I'm going to use this to contour. Basically been my life. Then to set my face, I don't bake. I use the Yardley loose powder. Just gonna set my face with my setting spray. And now in a cool highlight. Revlon and Avon. I first start with the Revlon one. And then I bought a new lipstick from KIKI. It's a matte lip color, the shade 206. It's similar to my NYX soft matte lip cream. Very similar, as you can see. A nice matte. It's not a drying matte. It's just a nice matte lipstick. To my favorite part, it's the highlighting time. Me and highlighting it. We have a thing going on. Me and Mrs. Highlight. Oh, guys, I can't sing to save my life, but highlight just makes me sing. It just does. And here you have it. I hope I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and to the new subscribers, welcome to the fam. I hope you're here to stay, and yeah, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And it feels so good to be back. Scheduling is back as usual, one video every Saturdays, and maybe now since I'm on holidays, but then I want to enjoy my holidays, so I can't say 2 videos, so it's gonna be 1 video every Saturday. And then yeah, see you guys, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And like I always say, with love from me to you, may the good Lord ever stay blessing.